Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your Android version and confirming the device supports app search features. This saves time. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Make sure you tap the three-dot menu or the gear icon to reveal Advanced App Settings. You want to locate the app search or default apps entry quickly. This initial path directs you to the right control panel, so proceed now without extra setup and follow the visible options. Now select Default Apps or Assist and Voice Input. This is where search integrations live. Tap App Search, App Suggestions, or the Google Discover toggle and switch it on. You may need to pick a default Assist app, choose Google or the search provider you trust. Make sure to grant necessary permissions like contacts, storage, or microphone so search can index content and return results. If indexing runs, let it finish. This step links apps into the global search experience for faster results. To finish, verify indexing completed in the app search settings and test by swiping down on the home screen or using the search widget. If results are missing, make sure the app is allowed to be indexed, then clear the app cache or trigger reindexing. If that fails, reboot the device and check for updates to the Google or vendor app. One troubleshooting tip: if search still fails, temporarily disable and re-enable the Assist app to force a fresh permission and index cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.